Alright, this is the new Rem Pod from Ghost Hunters. It's on, temperature is on, so here's how you set the sensitivity. 3 black buttons there on this side of the Rem Pod, the center one. Press it once, that's sensitivity 1, sensitivity 2, sensitivity 3, sensitivity 4. That's it. Actually, maybe it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's up to you to decide. I'm not going to argue that point. This is the temperature button here. But here's what happens when you get close to it. Green light, about 5 inches off. Green light, yellow light, blue light. Let's see if I can get just the blue one. It's hard to do. And then violet. And then if the temperature goes up, and if it goes up, this little light right here will turn red. If it gets colder, it will turn blue. So right behind the red light, that little black nubby thing sticking up at the base of the antenna, that is the heat, the temperature sensor. So what you do is you go over there to make sure it's working, you turn it on the bottom, then you come over here, you put your fingernail on it. See if that'll work. If that doesn't light it up, stick your finger on it. And then that should light it up. That's not, I'm going to have to check it. Well, let's see what happens here. Alright, you turn it over. Red button on the button right there. Okay, just punch that, so that should be a light on now for this. So we'll see what happens now. There it is. I turned the temperature sensor on. Okay, then this button on the right, that one resets your temperature. The button in the center resets, or the button on the left resets your pot, so it'll start thinking, again. Sometimes they just go off, and you got to reset them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and see if the thumb or the fingernail thing works. Right here, touching the red. Yep. See the little red light came on. I'm suggesting using your fingernail instead of your greasy finger skin. You don't want anything on that sensor. So something's hanging out. That's probably just this radio. I'll move that away. Yep, there it is. Okay, so that... Ooh, magic. I moved that radio away. While I did that, I actually grabbed the damn camera lens. Sorry. So see? You take things and you put near it with electromagnetic force in them, and they pop off. They do it. And you got electromagnetic. There. Let's hit the reset. Okay. Now here's a cup of coffee. It's warm, but it's got my hand on it. That's what's going on there. So anyways, that's that. We're gonna have fun with this thing. Alrighty, there's Lenny with the ghost hunting gear for Ohio Paranormal Group. Have an awesome weekend.